So today I'll be showing you how to put your Samsung Galaxy Tab A11 in recovery mode and also how to get it out of recovery mode. So the first thing you want to do is turn the tablet off. Now this one is already off. So with the tablet off, you want to get yourself a data cable, connect one end of the data cable to the Type-C port of your tablet like that, and the other end to a computer. Now it doesn't matter what computer it is. It could be a Mac, it could be a Windows computer. It doesn't really matter. Okay. Now once you connect, it should start charging, as you can see. Okay. Now if you see any pop-up on your computer asking you to allow access to data, you need to allow that. Anyway, once everything is set up, now you want to press and hold the side button and volume up button, and you want to press and hold until the Samsung logo appears. And once the Samsung logo appears, quickly let go of the power button and continue holding volume up. Okay, so I'm going to put one finger on volume up, the other finger on power, press and hold simultaneously. So 1, 2, go, press and hold. Just keep holding. Hold. Hold. Just keep holding. Samsung logo appears. I quickly let go of the power button while still holding the volume up button. There you go. And that puts the tablet in recovery mode. So now you want to scroll using the volume rockers. So volume down to scroll down, volume up to scroll down, to scroll up, and whatever it is you need to select, use the side button to select. And that's how to get your tablet in recovery mode. Now to exit recovery mode, you simply make sure you go to reboot system now. Make sure that's highlighted, and then you can go ahead and select that using this, and that's going to reboot the system back into One UI. So that is how to enter and exit recovery mode. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this useful, and good luck.